Hi everybody, Frank and Teske here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm going to walk you through our 2025 Saxdor 320 GTC. This boat is awesome. You got fantastic seating here in the back. Seats do swivel around, so you could be facing forward or aft. On the transom here, Pete will give us a nice shot of the twin 300 Mercuries in white. Saxdor for this year has nice fiberglass table back here. We have sunshade for the back of the boat and twin fold down wings. I'll let Pete step through into the salon there. Salon table can open up. Nice dining area. Co-captain and captain seats do swivel around as well. On the port side, we have our sink, storages. You can get a grill here if needed. Moving down into the cabin, again, I'll let Pete lead the way. So, forward berth with your head on the starboard side. There is a door that encloses that whole area. And before we make our way up to the bow, let's show off this beautiful helm. Twin Simrad displays. We have joystick, zip wake for controlling your trim tabs, bow thruster, our binnacles, very simple halo switching here. Over on the port side is some additional switching for our sunroof, our radios, fuses. You can see nice big subwoofer there, and air conditioning controls. And then finally, Pete will lead the way all the way up to the bow. So nice grab handles as you enter the bow. Room for 2 adults sit up here, cup holders, speakers. We'll also have a really nice shot back here of that coupe enclosure from Saxdor. We also have our skylight above for the cabin. And then finally, rooftop. You can see everything up top. Easily add radar if you need it. So again, this is the 2025 Saxdor 320 GTC. My name is Frank and Teske. See you on the water.